Yeah, you just better get moving. The gay bus is coming in. Couldn't resist. Yeah. By time! By dang time! Oh, there's one train. Wait for the second train. Welcome again, 419. Yes, I know, all these trains are so delayed. 2 trains though, I'm happy. And we just look at that. So another broken thing. The level crossing. Is this broken day or something or what? Literally. Got a 3332 behind me. Just doing Antrim school service as always. Oh, it's going to cause significant delays with buses now. Or severe delays, I would say. Right, I'm going back to normal recording because I cannot be bothered recording this crossing again. Doesn't the crossing just love braking? I think it'd be a good time to give it an upgrade. New barriers, new system, everything. Because I don't think they can even handle themselves anymore. I can't imagine what the traffic is like. It's 25. It was meant to be up like 5 minutes ago. Is this staying down to the next train or what? Cause I'm warning you right now, the next train's not till 1647. I don't know if this is the longest malfunction there has been this year. And off goes 109A. A curb hit there. A curb hit. There's 1073. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses I can see now. Oh, 206 cutting. It is 27. If only I can swear, but I'm not going to. Oh. 3332 is giving up. Free 2 is giving up. I'd say a lot of people down that way is giving up. Because this crossing is a stupid crossing. I want to keep it friendly. Do I actually need to call Translink right now telling them that crossing's broken here? Or what? Yeah, I'm going up to the station now, the train station. I'm bored over here. Here I am up here. Crossing. No hope. Even the signal down there is still red. And there goes 332. 3332. I need to start saying things properly from now on. It's been down for how long? I think it... No, don't worry about the trains, worry about the freaking crossing. Everyone's stuck over here. Like literally. I was gonna just open the phone box and call the signaler saying the crossing is still down. No lie, I kinda regret coming to Antrim today. Quit worrying about the stair thingamabobber, worry about the crossing. Everyone's up, a lot of people is giving up, taking the footbridge. Imagine this crossing becomes abandoned. That would be... I don't know. That would be terrible because I mean like... It's gonna take longer for me to get home. Gotta take the footbridge instead of through the crossing. You just switched there. I'll record again whenever this crossing goes up somehow. It's 32. Crossing status? Down. Down, freaking down. I'm annoyed. Like literally. I'm sorry lads, but I think you're going to go back to your depots now because playing this crossing. Yeah, you. The crossing. Like Well, it's talking isn't bad now because I think some people make U-turns and all that. I honestly don't know what is even wrong with this crossing. It is done this quite a couple of times, but for this long, nah, I don't think it's ever malfunctioned this long before. I'm sorry folks, but I think this shot's gonna have to end early because the crossing's just completely broken. Like, it just looks like it's not gonna raise anytime soon. Just me playing with this because yeah, I am bored because of this flipping crossing. Like, it has never malfunctioned this long before. It's honestly concerning. Like, why? Why are you still dying? Why crossing? Why are you still dying? Look at the amount of, look, 3 buses you're delaying. Well, 2 actually, because one's a school bus. That just went turn to straight to turn. Yeah, girls, I agree. Stupid barriers. You know what? Oh, it worked last time. Worked last time. Come on. Raise. Raise, you stupid barrier. Even there's the 320 now. Still dying. Still flipping dying. Does the signaler not see it or something? Does it not show that the crossing's still dying? I think this might be the new longest video. Thanks to this bloody crossing. Like, actually, there's nothing. Nothing is down the railway. Nothing there, nothing down there. Just an empty railway with people dying waiting to cross. And it's getting dark as well, so I don't know if I'll be able to stay until the crossing goes up. It'd be like next day and then crossing's still dying. Just manually raise it, just grab it. Wait, I swear to just heard a click. I thought I heard a click. Like Ballymena, instead of traffic, it's a level crossing. A single crossing, 4 wigwags, or 5 actually, 4 barriers. Yeah. Maybe if I can raise it enough to trigger the alarms, maybe it could tell the system it's down. and then they'll know the crossing is still down, and then they'll go up. It's going to be on a separate video. Yeah, it's going to be on. It's need to be on a separate video because it was so long that my storage is begging for mercy. Like, oh, trains, please, stop it. I can't handle it. All that type of. Yeah. What's the time? 38. Oh my gosh, we're literally waiting for the next train. Like, come on, crossing. Just raise up. Not affected. Not affected at all. I'm sorry, buses, but cancel your services because this crossing is staying down for the next train. I'm honestly so surprised. I'd say that Scroll has its hazard lights on because it's reversing. Begging to make it no, I can't talk. It's making a U-turn. It's giving up. Oh, the Stylesway bus is making a U-turn as well in the distance. I don't know if you've seen it down there. Stylesway is making a U-turn. Well, 205 is just going for it. It just doesn't even care. Well, I don't think it would be able to make a U-turn. It can now. That other bus isn't blocking the way. I don't know if either 552 is back or 556 just came in. Like, come on, just raise! Bruh. The dark is young, the crossing's still freaking dying. And another resource coming in. Even the driver's concerned, like, what's going on? Why is the crossing down? Yeah, I think later on I'm going to inform Transit about this because this is probably the longest closure it's ever done. The longest ever. So yeah, I'm going to inform Transit about this when I get home. So I guess this could be used for evidence. It's 41. Yeah, I see a lot of people have made U-turns going back that way. Everyone's basically given up. It's like that one crossing in Japan. It's like that one. Oh, look, 125 has given up. 125 has given up. So hang on, the train passed at around like, the train passed at like 20. It's 43, so 23 minutes. But okay, as I was saying before, 125 began making a U-turn. It's like that one crossing in Japan where it stays down for like, I think maximum is like 42 minutes. This is literally the Japan crossing, except it's in Northern Ireland and Antrim. Like, even some other drivers are getting concerned on why this crossing's staying down. Oh, there's a Gemini just made a U-turn. I don't know if he's just seen it there, but Gemini 1 just made a U-turn. There's 2 for free. You got 2 for free. No, I swear an accident could happen. Oh no. Oh. This is definitely the weirdest shot ever. Yeah, like I said, it's going to be a separate video because, bruh, what the actual heck? It's basically just staying there for the next train, I swear. Even the Belfast bus is here now. Even the other 28 is here. And trying to be fan. Wait, what's that? UB Engineering? Yes, come on, get this crossing fixed. Get it fixed, big lad. Get her fixed. Get her fixed. It's like everyone just walked into a sawdust trap. The waiting crossing. When this episode, don't go straight, just turn. I'll see you whenever this train possibly comes, or this crossing finally goes up. Guess the crossing just woke up Vecna. I think the crossing just woke up Vecna from how much it's been flashing. Guess what? Crossing is still down. Or guess dying, because it's dying. Even I'm getting bored. The train is being announced. The crossing has been down for, like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a review. I'm gonna have to check time later on about the train leaving and this train leaving. See you for the train. For me, I'm absolutely raging. Like, and also it's like illy. It's like illy level crossing. It just stayed down permanently. Like an abandoned crossing. Like, yeah. Like, is this crossing gonna become abandoned or something? Like, bruh. This is gonna be illy all over again, except it's Antrim. Not flippin' illy. That's in England. This here's in Northern Ireland. Bruh. Just collected my bike. Because the other train is literally entering the station. Yes, the 47 train. Come on now. Yes, it's been down literally the entire freaking time. 417. Fix this bloody crossing. Or I'm going to execute 414. I mention as well, some of these trains have nicknames as well. Like for 419, it's Steve. 417 is Ruthie. It's from TikTok, so it is. So yeah. Yeah, Ruthie, I hope you fix this crossing. Because 417, no, 414, oh, it's 552 that came back. Because me and 414 are gonna have a serious talk. So we will. Oh my goodness. At last! Goodness me, top 5 rarest moments. Crossing finally going up. At last. Right, that's it.